It's called দাঁড়িয়াবান্ধা. It's a game. দাঁড়িয়াবান্ধা খেলা বলা হয়, গ্রামে খেলে, খুব মজা. The court is like badminton court. They're trying to cross the court and then to go to another court. Now it's interesting point. The small little boy is trying to cross the final court and they will get a point. The green color boy.